how to use THDP5 single tablet press machine, developed fully automatic version. Hello everyone, we are Tianhe Machinery Equipment Company. Today we'll introduce you one of our patented products, THDP5 single punch tablet press machine. This is a classical automatic tablet press machine. It is widely used because it is smart and can output larger pressure. So next, we will explain how to use the machine. First, we need to test if machine can run well. And we press red button to inch the machine several times. Then press green button to run machine without load. Second, how to make hard tablets. There is a nut to control pressure. We need a spanner. First, we should loosen this screw. And then turn clockwise to increase pressure. Turn anti-clockwise to reduce pressure. Next, how to set tablet thickness. The bottom gear controls powder amount. If turn clockwise to reduce powder amount and make less thicker tablets. If turn anti-clockwise to increase powder amount, then tablet is thicker.